You know, let me give you a little bit of wisdom. Proverbs 19:11 says that you should overlook the spirit of offense. Those who are wise look over the spirit of offense. It really mind boggles me that you're offended by the things that I say when, one, I don't even know you exist, baby. Two, you don't even know me. So you gotta look at deeply inside what's really wrong with me. Cause I don't know this girl and this girl don't know me. So why do I even care about anything that she's saying unless it's true? Why does it bother you? Why are you so offended by this girl you don't even know? I don't even know you exist. But you still continue to be offended by the things that I say because you still keep coming on my page. I don't get it. I don't get it, girl.